In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically resize columns in Google Sheets with Fit to Data. If your spreadsheet has columns where some text is cut off or other columns that are much wider than they need to be, this feature is a quick and easy fix. Google Sheets can automatically adjust the width of your columns so they match the longest piece of content inside them. That helps keep your sheet clean, readable, and much more professional looking. Let's start with the fastest method. First, select your target columns by clicking the letter at the top of a column. If you want to select more than one, hold down Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac, while clicking additional column letters. If you want to adjust the entire sheet, you can press Ctrl and A to select everything at once. Once your columns are highlighted, move your cursor to the line on the right edge of any selected column header. As you hover over that border, your mouse pointer will change into a double-sided arrow. That change is important because it tells you are in the correct spot to resize the column. Now simply double-click that right border. As soon as you do, every selected column will automatically snap to the width of its longest text value. This is the quickest way to make your data fit neatly without manually dragging each column. Here is also another way to do the same thing using the menu, which can be helpful if you prefer more precise on-screen options. To begin, highlight the columns you want to fix by clicking and dragging across the letter headers at the top. After that, right-click directly on any of the selected column letters to open the context menu. From that menu, choose the option that says Resize Columns, followed by the column range you selected. A pop-up window will appear. In that window, you'll see an option for entering a new column width in pixels. But for this task, switch the selection to Fit to Data. Then click OK to apply the changes. Google Sheets will instantly resize those columns based on the content they contain. This is especially useful when you are working with names, titles, product descriptions, or any data set where text length varies from row to row. It saves time and makes your sheet much easier to review. Thanks for watching.